最近、ある大学教授が藤井風さんについて語っていた言葉がずっと頭に残っています。技術が高いとか人気があるという話ではなく、なぜ人は彼を本物だと感じるのかという視点でした。その話を聞いてから、ライブ映像や過去の演奏を見返すたびに、少し違う景色が見えるようになりました。藤井風さんは幼い頃から様々な楽曲を耳で覚え、ピアノで演奏する動画を公開してきました。その積み重ねが現在の表現の土台になっていることは、多くのインタビューでも語られています。演奏の正確さだけではなく、その場で呼吸するように音楽を変化させる感覚は、長い時間をかけて育まれてきたものなのでしょう。それがよく伝わる場面の一つがフジロックです。広い自然の中で行われるあの会場では、派手な演出よりも、その瞬間の空気が何より大切になります。藤井さんは観客を無理に盛り上げようとするのではなく、自分自身もその空間の一部として音楽を楽しんでいるように見えます。その自然な姿勢が会場全体の空気を少しずつ変えていくように感じられました。興味深いのは、海外でも同じような反応が見られることです。言葉が通じなくても、演奏や歌声から伝わるものがあるという感想は少なくありません。もちろん理由は一つではありませんが、飾らない姿勢と音楽への誠実さが多くの人の心に届いていることは確かでしょう。結局、本物という評価は本人が名乗るものではなく、時間をかけて周囲が感じ取るものなのかもしれません。だからこそ藤井風という存在は、今も多くの人が静かに見つめ続けているのだと思います。
Fujikaze's current position in the music world is being viewed for two completely different angles. Yet both perspectives seem to arrive at the same conclusion. One comes from an academic viewpoint, examining his artistic value and cultural impact. The other comes from the professional music review of his unforgettable Fuji rock performance. At first glance, these two forms of analysis appears unrelated. One study the meaning behind an artist's success, while the other focus on the energy of a live stage. But together they reveal something important about why Fujikaze continues to attract attention in today's music industry. Social media has become a powerful force. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok can transform a song into a worldwide phenomenon within a short time. Fujikaze music has also reached many listeners through digital platforms, but his appeal cannot be explained by algorithms alone. What makes his success different in the foundation behind the popularity? His music carries a sense of authenticity built through years of experience, musical ability, and personal expression. His performances are not simply designed to create viral moments, instead, they show the depth of the musicians who understand how to connect with people beyond numbers and trends. This became especially clear during his Fuji rock appearance. Rather than relying on a familiar arrangement that audience already know, Fujikaze brought a fresh approach to his songs with a powerful live band and an expanded sound featuring horns. His well-known tracks gained a completely new atmosphere. Songs that had heard by times before felt different on that stage. Is the combination of a live instruments, his expression, vocals, and energy of the festival created an experience that could not be reproduced through a phone screen or streaming platform. One of the most memorable moments came when he stepped beyond the traditional role of a singer and performer by bringing his musicians directly into the atmosphere of that festival. He created a stronger connection between the stage and the audience. It reminder that live music is not only about hearing a songs but sharing the same moment of other people. So Fujikaze's greatest strength may be his willingness to keep changing. He does not simply repeat the version of himself that he became a successful. In the time when musicians disappear as quickly as it became popular, his journey suggests that genuine artistry still has the power to create a lasting connection. His story is not only about becoming famous, it is about proving that real musical identity can continue growing even in an era dominated by digital trends. So, like this video and subscribe to the channel.